Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Everybody, it's Scott Tyndall's Home Shop. I'm Scott. And Tara is outside helping her mama cut grass. And I know y'all say, well, every time he gets on here, she's outside cutting grass. Well, we now have 6 acres to cut instead of 1. So it takes quite a little bit longer to cut it. Today we are working on my router. That little piece goes over here. And that piece comes out there. Which, that's the adjustment bolt. Alright, today what we're doing is we are putting new bearings in it. We are going to attempt to put new bearings in it. I have put bearings in things before, but this one is going to be a little different because I got to figure out how to get the chuck off. I'll try. Where is it? Yeah, it's right. Alright. Not quite sure how we go about getting off. That has to come off. Now, see, look down right over there. And it looks to be X. So I'm going to assume that you screw that off. You can screw the chuck off. I don't have an outlet. And I do not have an outlet to that barge. So we are stuck temporarily. So I have no way of holding this. I don't have to be all. You're going to try. I'm not going to grab this. We're not going to drill in that. This is messed up. This one's going to play. I don't have an outlet that big. What's that? I have a hole here. Well, that is not going to bode well for pulling that off. Alright, let's take y'all out to the shop. Here we go. Alright, y'all, excuse me while I step over here and find the socket to fit this. This ought to be fun. Well, that doesn't fit. Look at that. There we go. Alright. Now what I gotta do is put on a glove so that I can reach up in that hole and hold on to that shaft while I give it some gentle persuasion. I would have never thought that was a nut screwed on to that nut. Voila! There we go. Alright. Now excuse me one more minute. Almost. Not bending the wrench, just bouncing it. Let me do this. Let me go over here. Alright, we got y'all down here kind of low so y'all can see here. That just press it right on there. I don't want to push it on there. We're going to, I've already cleaned that shaft up. I've cleaned that shaft up. And here's the bearing that goes on the back. And this little piece right here is a tachometer. And there's a holopack, I think it's called a holopack sensor up inside the back that gives it input for the RPM controller of this variable speed. Now we're just going to see all the way back and take that bearing right there. I don't like that, so I'm going to take some blue lock pipe. You can push it like that. There we go. There we go. I'm just going to throw a little blue lock in here. On how to raise that bearing. And come right out. Let me take it out. There we go. Oh, it's stuck in there. I'm just going to show it right here. So it's stuck in. So there we go. Yeah, that's not turning in there. Alright, so that goes there. And then this. This goes right here. Doesn't do anything. It's got air right here. I'm not going to put that down. And at least it'll go right here. Oh, the door. I'll go right here. And make sure that it didn't have no travel bolts. That doesn't have any lock on it. Anything other. Just two bearing connectors through. Well, that's not it. Now, the right side of me. Over here. Force you over here. The right one. P27, P20. I don't get one of the ones that don't have P15. Oh, that's one I Let's do this one. 10, and of course. Nope, it's 25. Here. I'll make sure that order. I think 25 goes on. I don't have. I think 25 works. Is that right? Ooh, I just get the here. Yes, I did here. That's right. These bolts are T25. And so I need, in one of our kits we have, in a default, we have T25, or out there in default, it's like T25, or whatever, but whatever, right there, I don't have 25. This goes like this. 25? I'm not quite sure. There we go there. Well, that doesn't do anything holding. What's our what's the juicy, but let me show you. Alright, so right here, let's see the back bearing. The press on pretty tight. So we have to get that bearing, which is right here. The back bearing is part number 02-04-0852. It's 8.27 millimeter bearing. That's a little, do I have a kidney? Not sure. It was mine. There, don't skip. Whatever. And yeah. Like I said, whatever. Hey, look at that. You hear it? You let me know. Look at that. Did y'all see what the child done to me? The child looked up. Alright, let's see. I can't beat only race. I need bearings for tools. Oh, I'm not. Is it right here? Yes, I need your punch out of the radio in there. Whatever. I don't have anything to bring it home. I need a short one. Yeah, I need a short one. Short set. Yes. Long set, short set. Here. It's gonna be better. That's probably not the way to do it, but here again, kind of got caught with my pants down, not having all the right stuff, and we'll put the little tachometer back on there. I think it goes flush like that right there. This little piece goes, whoops, right there. And then this, if I'm not mistaken, But I used a brass punch to drive on the end of the shaft, and I didn't drive it very hard. Alright, so there we go. We're going to go here. Skip over catty cornered on this side. There. And we're going to jump over here. Snug. Then we'll just go around. At this point, it doesn't matter. My biggest thing is this thing had 6/1000ths of in play. Alright, well let's swing over here to the plug over here, and I will cut these two straps here, and we'll plug her in and see if she sounds any better. Let's make sure she's off first so she doesn't go flipping off the table here. Alright, but you still helping? You still playing with the mommy?
Okay. Right now she's losing all her Monopoly money.
Is she broke? Oh man.
Is it bigger than that or smaller?
Yeah, it's bigger than that. It's probably a 12.
You have a 12?
Yeah, I don't have an Allen wrench that big. I was gonna try to tighten this on up some more.
Can't you use something really big and like open the end nose and turn it?
No, I have to be able to hold it.
Oh, no. Huh. Bad news. Bad news.
Up where we can get some air. Alright. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below, and hope y'all found this mildly interesting or mildly entertaining. Don't forget to go vote. There'll be a link down in the description down below for our American Rotary What Is It? We Are American Made contest. So, see y'all later. Bye.